So last week Friday was the last day of shooting for Scandal actors. The final episode is scheduled for 26 June 2026. ETV noticed that the views were declining and Scandal had also run for a very long time. It started back in 2005, that is over 20 years. ETV also wanted to introduce new shows to attract wider audience. Production cost was also too high. We will definitely miss it. Firstly, it was Rhythm City, then Imbel and Smoke and Mirrors, now Scandal. To be honest, I don't know why they are leaving generations the legacy. They should also have taken it out, not Scandal. Yes, Scandal had its ups and downs in terms of their storyline, but I believe they were doing well now. The sad part is the whole team is now unemployed, and hopefully they'll be back to our screens very soon on other productions. Scandal gave us unforgettable characters, drama, betrayals, and storylines that kept us glued every night. Many actors who have been on the shows for years were emotional last week. I saw a lot of people on TikTok, they were so sad, saying their last words and also shooting their last videos in the studio. Remember, Scandal was like their second home. A lot of people also feels like Scandal deserves more time. They think 26 June is kind of early with the storyline that is there now. They feel like probably they should have stretched up to the end of this year, at least up to the end of this year. But unfortunately, 26 June 2026 will be the last day of Scandal being aired. And I kind of feel so sad because we've been watching Scandal for a long time with our families, and now it's over. Hopefully, they're going to bring something more nice. I heard that they're going to introduce like two new shows on ETV. That one will sort of replace Scandal, and then the other one, I'm not so sure. The other one that is going to be introduced, and hopefully, it's going to keep us glued as well. The problem now is I think they no longer want to run productions. They no longer want soapies that runs for more than 3 or 4 years. I kind of feel like they are trying to make like short soapies that has like season 1 and season 2 or season 3. If yeah, I think they are trying that. I don't know why, but I think they have noticed something, that if something runs for a long time, people will end up not watching at all, because we think that we are actually viewing Scandal, but a lot of people are not, according to their, because they are the ones who actually see the views. ETV actually noticed that the views are declining, but on our side, we don't know the views, because we've been watching this thing for a long time, and to think that other people are not watching it will be like, I know everyone else is just watching because we've been watching this for a long time. But unfortunately, the views were declining, so they were no longer making much profit on this on Scandal. So I think they decided they are not going anywhere. It might be over 20 years running it, but if they are making a loss out of it, there's no way they will continue something that is not profitable to them. Remember, they are all about making money. This soapies, they should make a lot of money out of them. So to make it doesn't benefit them for us to enjoy whilst they are not making anything out of the show. So I think they decided to just broke our hearts. I think when they told us last year, they wanted us to prepare, but we were hoping for a miracle. But unfortunately, no miracle. So we are going to say goodbye to Scandal on the 26th of June 2026. And as of today, no one is shooting. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed.